Hi, I'm Andrew Coy here at Kendall Chevrolet, Buick, and GMC. Today I'm going to show you a cool parental safety feature on our new 2022 Chevy Blazer called Teen Driver Mode. So you just bought your new Chevy Blazer, and to no surprise, your teenager wants to get behind the wheel. Fortunately, there's a Teen Driver Mode. Let me show you how it works. Once you're in the Chevy Blazer, you'll go to Settings on your screen, hit Vehicle, click Teen Driver Mode, and from there we'll hit Continue and create a PIN. Next, we need to register a key fob. So what you do is you place the key fob in the first cup holder, and from there you'll add it and it'll register that specific key fob for the teen driver. So next time you start the car with that key fob, it'll automatically be in teen driver mode, but you can always clear that at any time if you'd like to. From there, we can set restrictions for things like speed limit and volume control. Once your teenager and Blazer have safely returned home, you can view report cards in settings and see how their driving habits are. Things like distance driven, or the number of forward collision alerts, or automatic braking that took place while they were driving. To see other Chevy features, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come visit us at our showroom off Goodpasture Island Road, or check out our website at KendallChevroletBuickGMC.com. Kendall, let's start something great.